Morning to everyone. Okay, hope you guys are still here. So, only that only the physical only here. Okay, so we start for our meeting. So, my name is Fuad. I'm from delivery team. So, the next slide. Okay, here are our wonderful teammates. So, we are from variety of department, which is from production side, marketing side, test measurement, planning, warehouse, procurement, and also SCM. So these are our team members. Next. Okay, without wasting our time, we go to our objective. So, as you can see here, our current data from July 2023 to November 2023 show that EDM have achieved our OTD rate, which is on-time delivery for all customers, which is more than 95%. Okay, so these are the data one. So the next strategy for this team is to put focus on speed to market, which is in supply chains for new product and current. So which means that how quick a product can be ready for delivery to customer. So we plan to achieve this by improving agility in manufacturing. So I repeat again, is agility in manufacturing, which is agile manufacturing able to a fast response to customer demand while empowering workers to innovate. Okay, so next I pass to Muhammad.
Thank you for answering. So we go to our problem statement. Currently, our DDR process starting from store until we deliver the goods to our customer, it will take minimum 46 hours to complete it. And for us to be the agile manufacturing, we will reduce internal process downtime, and which will give impact to and reduce lead time for delivery. And so our target is to reduce until 30 hours. And for us to achieve our target, we have identified 3 locations and issues that we will focus. The first one is from store, high absenteeism and resignation. Number 2, AISMT, machine downtime, long changeover, and also material variance. And for the last one, MI side, is high downtime tester. And then we go to next slide.
Okay, so for our data collection, on our first issue is on high absenteeism and resignation. So we based on data collected from 3 months, September to November 2023, the store attendance rate is from 84% to 96%, and the highest is on November. We have 96% of attendance, which is 32 out of 32 attendance. So do note that the maximum packs needed for an efficient process is 42 packs. So on November, we have 11 foreign employees, and they have 98% attendance, so that is very good. Okay, so on our process improvement analysis, on that issue itself, our proposal is to revise the current reward system for full attendance or no lateness. We will introduce the performance chart, and second, to introduce work-life balance, which currently office staff already have, which is flexible working arrangement. So the benefits that we analyze is by implementing the reward system, and we suggest to use the voucher for full attendance until end of the year, because according to 2022 survey, 79% employee are not here. This is employee survey outside. They will stay for benefits and reward system in the company. And the second one is flexible hours. We will show that we care, and we will create more loyalty and responsibility towards the company and the task given. Thank you.
Next is for data collection for issue, machine downtime, long changeover, and material variance. So the data is collected from AISMT's current factory. So based on analysis, the highest factor is machine breakdown, which is contribute the highest one for downtime, followed by changeover downtime and material variance. Next. Okay, so for process improvement analysis and cost benefit for high machine breakdown, so we propose to enforce and maintain for daily and weekly maintenance schedule. So by doing this thing, machine service can be on time, and we can predict the next downtime for machine. And if by using this monitoring system, we can be updated if machine is not being serviced on time. So the benefit that we can get from this activity is we can avoid long downtime on production and easy for management to monitor. And this will motivate our technicians since no pressure during long downtime. And next. So for process improvement, for long changeover, this one we plan to have a planning system for all the EDM SMT planning. This system will be integrated with our MPS system so that there's no issue overlook schedule on MPS will be happen. So this one is for easy tracking and planning to avoid line down, and this can benefit our PIC, and management can monitor all the EPM status, SMP for SMP, and can predict our down due to capacity. Our capacity can be monitored and predicted. And then next is material variance at the SMP production. So for this one, we propose to have a systemic method during stock take by using a scanning system to reduce variance in our stock. So benefit by doing this is to reduce the variance and avoid line down due to stock accuracy, and we can have our data digitalized and easy tracking. So for this method, actually, we already start implement in both factory, NF and CF, but there are some of loophole and then for improvement for this system. Next.
For third data collection, issue from MI tester downtime. First issue manual is that CF tester downtime summary from October 22 until October 23, and graph show the downtime history. Based on this data, the test has highest downtime among other testers such as vision camera, ICT, FCT, and DCT. And refer to the this downtime, April 23 got highest high downtime. So next. For process improvement analysis and cost benefit, high downtime at CCS tester, and our proposal is for full station service, and that we focus based on model and grid system for recording, tracking and monitoring, and that this system will have machine health status, and as well horizontal deployment will be easy since that can prefer system rather than manual record. And this one, the table show our implement since May 23, and the result show the downtime was reduced. And our benefit of the proposal is system will motivate employee because they can refer data of previous action done to so take action on the next tester, and model can be taken easily. And then our benefit, monitoring and tracking can be done easily. Next.
So in conclusion, we have proposed these three action or three departments to meet our strategies, speed up to market, and by implementing this action, we will be improving our agility in manufacturing. This enables a fast response to customer demand while empowering workers into innovate. That's our presentation. Open for Q&A.
Okay, thank you so much for the presentation. Okay, questions, comments? Anyone? Thank you for your identified problem and proposal. However, the proposal, I think we should have a deadline or we are going one when we are target supposed to be complete. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Lee.
Okay, thanks to our team for the good efforts that's been put up. I just have some suggestion also. Basing on the so-called delivery on the picked up, for example, from 46 hours to 30 hours of target has been set. Because mainly on the high absenteeism on the resignation. So I think what has to be looked into it is the multi-skill, especially if, let's say, in a person who didn't turn up, you're going to have the same problem. So there could be some contingency plan as well as those workers can do a multitasking. So in the event someone is absent, at least he still can able to carry on the job. Okay? So thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Mariam, for the
Can I hear you?
anybody else who would like to comment? Before we pass it to Honda-san for his input.
Thank you very much for your presentation. And who is the mentor of this project? Ui-san. Ui-sanのメンター。Okay. Could you please show me the page 4? そうやね、これね。この46 hours means from which process to shipping out from warehouse?
This is from store to MI, end process MI.
MI かな
From store until MI.
From store means supplying a component.
Fitting.
So
that is the below chart that we shows the store from MI, and that is the proposed process hours. These two.
これもうちょっと分かりやすくするためにちょっとお願いがあるんですけどね。
So there is a request in order to make more easier to understand.
まずはこの46時間かとした46 hours。
So first of all, you have this total 46 hours, right?
それをね、スタートプロセスからね、ウェアハウスシッピングアウトまで、please write down each process. What kind of process included total 46 hours? Then, how many hours taken for each process? Which process is problem? Worst 5, worst 3, I don't know. Please clarify. To achieve 30 hours, why 30 hours I don't know, but your target is 30 hours. To achieve 30 hours, which process must be reduced, how much? Then estimated total 30 hours will be achieved. So our improvement target is 1, 2, 3. If 1, 2, 3 reduce, how much? Then we can achieve 30 hours. This kind of total picture is necessary.
Understand?
ほんでさ、on the other hand そのプロダクションサイドゆるりさんなんやけどなこれ、AI SMT マシンダウンタイムロングチェンジオーバーマッチングバーいろいろ言われてるやんこれなんか言うことない
So anything comment on it in red?
Yes, of course, we have to reduce machine downtime, any downtime, でlead time also. But actually, still high downtime. Yes, so now we focus to some increase operation ratio. But we have to continue.
ゆるりさん 's answer is like this やんかなそしたらねこれ AI SMT ロングチェンジオーバー How long does it take to achieve 30 hours by your estimation? It's unclear. If you can say to production side, please reduce additional 5 minutes, for example, then they have a chance to get the target. Then they try to how to reduce 5 minutes. They can break down. Then feedback to you. How about current situation? 6 minutes, 1 minute still over. Please do continuously. Such kind of communication with. But now it's not unclear. Maybe you have already break down, but it's better to share for each department. Then this action is very important for the DDM. Very important. So I'm very happy to focus these items this time. Please monitor and try PDCA. But I think this action cannot be done only by this project team. Production side, maintenance side, logistics side, every department has to collaborate. So if you can clarify the new target for each process, then after that, which department have to do, how many reduction for each process, time reduction, very clear. The production side is very delayed, logistics is very good. Please visualize the progress of the situation. Then much more motivated. Then I do think please continue this action every month, every quarter, I don't know. But please feedback for each department. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much to the team. Okay, thank you very much to the team for the presentation, and also thank you so much to